So Web 2.0 properties are a second generation of the web, and they're web-based communities on an interactive platform for development, and it allows for people to collaborate when building these out. And you can think of them as Weebly, Blogger.com, and what it allows is the ability for multiple access points, meaning you could be anywhere in the world and just log in to the back end or into the Web 2.0 property to get access, so that way you can do updates and make changes. Now these can be indexed. And finally, one of the last things that you want to make sure you do, which is a big tip, is that you can use Google Search Console to get a lot of your Web 2.0s indexed. Now, Wix, Weebly, Blogger.com, and that way all this work that you're doing, you're making sure is being seen and picked up by Google, and you're getting the credit for it. And something to take note of is that you want to use unique content if you're able to, and that's why watch the Perfect Spawn content video so you can get 1,000 different variations of the same great content that has high readability. Your brand names can include keywords, but you want to use the brand for your Web 2.0. So we're going to use Chomp Orthodontics as our primary, and then we'll have our services on that page, and we'll link back from those Web 2.0s primarily with brand names or naked URLs. But for the high-powered ones, sometimes we may use a exact match to help power some things up. And you can also link out to your social properties. You want to add in your map URL. You want to potentially embed the map. You want to link to posts if you're putting them up. And you want to build out nice Web 2.0s because a lot of times you'll have people that will come across them, and you want to look as professional as possible. Hopefully we'll build the trust factor, and you don't want to syndicate your Web 2.0. So let's jump in so I can show you an example and build one out. So we'll just go to Blogger, go ahead, sign into Blogger, and our display name is going to be Chomp Orthodontics. And then go ahead, let's open up, and we've got a post. So you can create a new post or edit a post. For this, we're just going to edit. So for Blogger, the title is the page title as well too. So here we've got our spun content, and you would just open that up, right? You copy, paste it in here. So for instance, we had pasted it in here. Now we're going to go through our content. We see we've got our brand name here, Chomp Orthodontics. We've got the spun text. We've got our images. Then we also want to embed our map. Go down here, let's say. Now we've got our map embedded. Now you need to do that through HTML. Share our link to our location, hit update, and now we've got our Web 2.0 for Blogger.com. And now you may want to check to see. Now to get a lot of these indexed, all you got to do is go to Search Console for a lot of Web 2.0s, and you can just add the property or the URL, and that will get it verified right away. Now this goes for almost any Web 2.0.